Welcome back to our Meatless May series. Return to Eden? This is episode 3. This week we are addressing the issue of how to transition to a plant-based diet, reasons why, and how to safely and effectively do so. Let's begin with our scripture reading.
Genesis 1:29. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree, in the which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat. So, why should I consider adopting a plant-based diet?
There are several reasons people choose a plant-based diet. Some benefits include potential health benefits, such as lower risk of heart disease, weight loss, improved digestion, environmental benefits, like reduced greenhouse gas emissions, conservation of water and land, animal welfare considerations, as plant-based diets typically involve less animal exploitation.
So how do I start?
Start slow. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 plant-based meals into your daily routine and gradually increase the number of meals over time. Explore new ingredients. Try different fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains to find what you enjoy. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan or grocery list to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. Stock your pantry. Get familiar with plant-based staples like beans, lentils, tofu, and nutritional yeast. Don't forget protein. Include plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan in your diet. Get enough vitamin B12. Consider supplements or fortified foods, as vitamin B12 is essential for health. Seek inspiration. Follow plant-based bloggers, cookbooks, or social media accounts for recipe ideas and motivation. Be kind to yourself. Allow for flexibility, and don't stress if you encounter setbacks. It's a process.
Thanks for joining us this week. Continue to explore ways to be a better steward of the body God has given to you. See you next week for our special series finale.